In this video I will teach you how to model roofs in your projects. First, open the roof level view, and then click on the roof command, specifically roof by footprint. At the options bar, there are a few settings, and by default I have the option define slope ticked. Let's leave it, and as the roof opens in the sketch mode, I'm going to use the same method as for the floors. Let's go to the walls, and I can draw the roof boundary either in the interior or exterior side. Of course, we should cover all the walls with the roof, so better to click on the exterior face of the wall. Then I select all the others and confirm the roof. It's done. Now look, it seems that the roof is flat on the top, but it isn't. Actually, what I am saying has to do with the values I defined on the view range, but that's something we will cover later. Now I'm switching to a 3D view, and the roof fits perfectly within the walls, as you can see. However, in this exercise, this is not what we want. The roof will look like this, so we need to edit slopes and we will set an overhang. Going back, I'm going to delete the roof and insert a new one. This time I'm going to change the overhang to 300 mm. With this, the roof boundary is located at 30 cm from the face, and that face, it can either be the interior or the exterior one. Here we need to pick the exterior face and then select the other walls. Next, every edge has a slope defined as a 30-degree angle. However, I don't want a slope for the left and right faces. I click first on Modify, I select this line, hold Ctrl and select the opposite one on the other side. Then on Properties, I'm going to remove the check mark here on Define Slope. The remaining two sides will still keep the slope, but with a smaller angle. For the remaining two edges, we will keep the slope, but with a smaller angle, just 18 degrees. And we have to change it here. Also, there are several families already loaded for roofs. The select one is this generic roof with 400 mm of thickness. Let's change it to a different one, for example the first family. Here the thickness is 366.5, the combined measurement of all these components. Finally, I can save the changes and have a look at the result at the 3D view. Okay, now as you can imagine, we should join the exterior walls to the roof. And yes, all the four sides, because as you can see, even the walls where I have the slope need to be attached. Okay, this method is simple. Click on this wall. Then with the right button, go to Select All Instances and Entire Project. Next, I have to go here and click on Attach to Top Base, in this case an element at the top. Finally, I select the element which is the roof. Okay, now I encourage you to practice a little bit and see you in the next lesson.